Introducing The Linen Lady, a proven cleaning and linen towel hire business, Central Coast, New South Wales. Would you like to buy a ready-made cleaning empire on the Central Coast with a growing turnover? Then listen up. The Linen Lady is a leading provider of cleaning and linen hire services for high-end accommodation on the Central Coast. Gross profit has gone from $47,000 to $240,000 in just 1 year due to the coast's growing Airbnb market. Established for 6 years, this proven business is run from home with flexible working hours to suit your lifestyle. Working hours are currently 24 per week, so there's ample opportunity and demand for further growth. This great package includes a range of equipment plus a 2008 sign-written Ford Transit with 182,000 kilometres on the clock and 8 months rego. The business comes with 20 plus long-term clients from the entrance to Patonga, plus training by an industry expert for up to 6 weeks.